Nanubabo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, guys, it's gonna be our first time to promote and help a perfume business. So these two wooden boxes came from our friends at Afthonia. I hope I was able to pronounce that correct. Today's vlog, we are going to share with you or introduce to you their products. Again, we'd like to thank Afthonia for sending this. Ano ba yung mga products nila? So these are inspired scents. What does that mean? For example, itong bottle of perfume na to, no? It's 100 milliliter na bottle. Ang name ng product nila ay Medea, and then it has an inspired scent to other, famous perfumes. So I believe for Medea, their inspired scent is from Jo Malone, which is vanilla and anise. Yan, so tingin pa tayo ng iba, no? For this one, it's Aireen. So this one has an inspired scent from D&G Light Blue. Yan. Hanap pa tayo. So this one naman is Peya. Itong pabango na to has an inspired scent from Encanto Shine. What else? Let's check this one. So this is, like for example, this Kronos. This perfume right here has an inspired scent from Tom Ford Portofino Neroli. Haba ng pangalan, pero this is for a scent for men. We also have this one, like this one, Icarus. Yan. So this one naman has an inspired scent from Calvin Klein Eternity. Sabi nga ng fan page nila, it looks like them, it smells like them, but it costs less than them. Okay, so we also have other products dito. So they have this 100 ml bottle. They also have this, what is this? A 10 ml bottle. Dion. Now, aside from the perfume, they also sent us yung mga, what are these? Lip and cheek tint. Guys, lip and cheek tint. Now, for men, of course, I don't know, if you're gonna buy this, for sure you're gonna give it as a gift or as a giveaway. I don't know. Siguro may mga gumagamit din lalaki ng lip and cheek tint. But anyway, yeah. So this is from Afthonia. This is a lip and cheek tint then, pero they call it Tokyo. Was named Sydney. Ayan, so siguro mga pangalan naman ng mga lip and cheek tint nila are cities. So they also have colognes. Okay, so this is 2. Okay, para siguro 1, 2. Alright, I knew it. Okay, so yung mga cologne nila 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 7. I wonder, may 8 pa. And this is 5. Okay, let me check this one. Because, you know what, I am a cologne person than more of a perfume. So, mas Cologne. Okay, I think, I like this. Umpisa pa lang ng natin, check natin. But this one, let me check it. This smells more like parang cola or soda. This one, medyo alcohol siya, so I like it. Check natin itong mga pambabae. I think these are for girls. I don't know kung unisex din sila, but let's see. Yeah, I think this, leans towards more of for females. What else? Let's see. So, meron din tayong Odor Blast. Sabi niya, these are Odor Blast products. And it says, it is an all-purpose deodorizer and revitalizer. Yung scent nito is sweet apple. Wow. Smells like an apple. Okay. Deodorizer and revitalizer. I guess from the name itself, deodorizer and revitalizer. It's a body spray. I think so. So these are body spray. Warm cotton. Again from their odor blast. This is warm cotton. Okay, if you are to ask me guys, ang amoy niya is like more of a bedroom scent. Last part of the vlog, let's check yung Chaos. This is a polo blue inspired scent. Polo blue. So for me, ang impression niya guys is more of a, I'm imagining, no? So when you smell like this, it could be a person that is, wearing an Americana suit, medyo formal, leather shoes, has, a necktie. Parang ganun yung impression niya sa akin. Although the name is Chaos, so para sa akin parang mysterious guy. Ang impression niya sa akin is yung parang a mysterious and silent guy, pero professional lang natin. Wow, okay. So, to know more about their products, I believe they could, explain it better, or to know more if you're interested, to buy or do business with them, make sure to check out their fan page. We're gonna be flashing it on your screens right now. So there you have it guys. I hope you got interested with Afthonia. Even we got this really simple video about them, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.